Making a brief stop at Diamond Lake on our way to Paradise Valley. There's a fisherman over there about to go fishing. Alright, here we go.
We've come to a river.
Well, we just crossed the river and we're in Paradise, as they call it. And we're thinking Beorn's house is somewhere along this lake. Not quite sure where though. Could be over there. Could be on that side. But we're gonna keep going and hope that we only have that river crossing. Partway through Paradise Valley. Lauren thinks this kind of looks like Isengard, but actually we're not there yet.
We've come across a stream crossing we think is a little bit too deep for our baby yars to cross. I'll do a demonstration. Very deep. There's also this path that other people seem to have kind of taken. Just, you know, over here. However, the path seems pretty uneven. So, bummer.
We have decided to walk the rest of the road, which is how far, Lauren?
Well, how far are we going?
It depends. Do you want to get to the end of the road just to see what it's like down there?
I don't know. We'll see.
How far is it to the end of the road then?
6.3.
6.3 kilometers one way. But there might be some mountain climbing, so we'll see if we feel like doing that or not. Otherwise, we might turn around early. Partway through our walk, and we have ourselves yet another very deep crossing. And it looks like someone tore apart the underside of their car right over here. Yep, we wouldn't have made this road. So here we are at the scene where Gandalf rides up to Isengard, surrounded by some mountains and trees. And this is probably as far as we're going to walk up the road, so as to not leave our car abandoned for too long. We're looking at these weird, dead-looking spike moss trees. I don't know what they're actually called.
That's probably it.
But they're all scraggled and spiky and moss covered. And they look like they're dead, like Lauren said. They're probably not. And now back to the car. Here we are at the Routeburn parking lot. We thought we'd check it out. It's a nice view over here in the forest. But the parking lot is full.
It's packed.
So we are going to try to get out of here now and just head back up the road towards Queenstown. There's some sheep here on the Routeburn track road that we just are coming back from. And would you look at those mountains off in the distance there? Snow-capped and everything. Paradise Valley is somewhere over there. I think we were way over there somewhere next to that mountain where the tree line is basically a straight line where it doesn't grow too steep. And there's our car over there. You can hear the baying of the sheep.